Hi, Saran. This is Faiz bin Kabir.
This is Khan MD Abdurrahman.
This is Azman Mahta.
This is Zain.
This is Mijupal and
We present you the Proton Plateau. Our experiment proposes a multi-wire proportional chamber tracking system with 4 stations and 8 wire planes. Beam starts at the proton source, goes through a collimator, then a Cherenkov detector that filters large angle particles and shapes the beam. Next, upstream scintillators trigger our custom-built MWPC tracking system, 4 stations, 8 planes total, filled with argon carbon dioxide or carbon tetrafluoride gas. As particles pass through, they ionize the gas, creating electric signals collected by wire planes. This gives us the beam's position. On the screen is a flowchart to help you understand the pathway of the beam and the full setup even better. And it's followed by a 3D demonstration. Over the screen, you can see the expected results of our experiment. Graph 1 shows the particle beam profile, particle spot map illustrating the beam intensity across the X and Y wire positions, with the highest intensity at the center. While the graph 2 shows the charge collection distribution across 128 years with ADC counts and a Gaussian fit, indicating the expected charge distribution.